Hey, how's it going, guys? SvperDvperProductions here with another motherfucking video. And we out here. I don't know what to say. I didn't do an outro for the last video. Apologize for that, but you know, shit, we got busy and I don't know what the fuck we did that day. Oh, we're gonna go fix Alex's car. We didn't film that. His HR started leaking fuel. And I don't know, I told him to drink. I don't know. Anyways, besides the point. So yeah, I mean, this is part 2 of the big turbo install. I got the Subaru here in the background. I did drive it with the fuel pump. Just the fuel pump. It wasn't bad. I don't know. I mean, the fuel pump's working fine. I'm pretty sure my car just started it doesn't want to idle anymore. I mean, I don't know if that has to do something with the fuel. I mean, it was kind of doing that before, but it got kind of worse after the fuel pump install. It'll idle kind of weird, but it's fine because I'm gonna go get tuned and after the big turbo install and all that. But yeah, I have no filmer today because last time Alex was helping me, but today it's just gonna be me. I'm just using the gimbal setup right here, but I'm gonna try to do my best to work on the car and film it. But oh, by the way, shout out to Carlos. It's his birthday today, June 4th. SvperDvperCarlos. So everybody leave a comment. I know this video is gonna be posted later, but leave a comment saying happy birthday, Carlos. And yeah, let's get started on the video. All right, just in case you guys didn't know, kind of have a sad story about the Z. So this is my bumper. You can tell it's all fucked up, and my car was parked somewhere over there, like over there next to that tree. And I guess some dude was running from the cops. I was literally in bed, and he ran into my car. And I don't even think I don't know if it was a stolen vehicle or anything. I don't know yet. The cops haven't said anything to me, but he crashed into my car. I mean, it's not too bad. It bent up the support a little, some brackets. The bumper's obviously fucked up. The headlight brackets kind of got fucked up and scratched up. The fender got moved a little bit, as you can see, but the gap got kind of worse. So yeah, I mean, it's fine. Shit happens in life, you know, but it's kind of unfortunate that, you know, I'm not gonna get any money out of it probably. I'm gonna have to fix this all on my own for something I didn't even do. But anyways, that's why y'all should like and share this video so we can get monetized already. But anyway, alright, let's open the hood here. Alright, so today I'm gonna show y'all how to install turbo, injectors, spark plugs. I might not show you guys because I mean, it's kind of a basic thing, but alright, so if you're doing this on your 05 STI, obviously you have a top mount intercooler. I have a front mount. It's a Turbo XS, if anybody's wondering. So it's gonna be a little easier for me to get the turbo off and not deal with a whole bunch of the white. I don't know. It's just harder with the fucking top mount. I hate it. When I replaced that was probably one of the worst things I've ever done in this car. Well, it wasn't that bad, but anyways. So yeah, I'm gonna start off by removing this pipe right here, and just probably removing the clamp off this one, or that pipe also, just to do it, just to have more access. But I'm gonna have way more access than the typical Subaru because I don't have the top mount. And yeah, pretty sure I showed y'all in the last video, but I'm doing some AUS side feed 850cc injectors, and I'm going with the Cobb 20G turbo. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm just gonna try to time lapse everything and then show y'all the key points of what to take off, so you guys, and what not to take off, so you don't have to sit there and like, because I mean, it looks like a fucking mess in here. Like Subaru, just, they're not pretty cars. So, but anyways, yeah, let's get started on the video. Let's get started. All right, y'all don't have one of these? Get one of these. This is perfect. So get this. amazing. If y'all don't have one of these, y'all should invest in one of these. This shit, they're not, I mean, they're pretty. This one cost me, I got this one used for $100, but it was well worth the money. Cause look, it makes everything too easy. Since y'all are here, please support the videos. It would mean a lot to us. We're really trying. I've seen a few videos recently, they hit 5,000. Mainly the Eclipse videos. I know y'all love the Eclipse, but we got other cars too. We're gonna try to give you guys more content of everything we have. I know the Eclipse is like the favorite, but we're running out of content with that car. Like, cause later on we'll have more for it, but we don't want to like just be Eclipse, you know what I mean? So we want to show everybody's build, like my build, Tony's builds, Carlos's build, Alex's build. But yeah. Alright, so a little update here. I removed the intake, two of the intake piping. I mean the intercooler pipings. I removed the recirculation valve. I disconnected this so it's loose, just to get off all the mounting points so you can get more access to the injectors later. What else did I do? That's so far what I've done. Now I think I'm gonna start with the turbo first. I'm gonna do the turbo first, and then I'll do the injectors, just because the injectors, they honestly look like more of a pain, so you gotta like fish them out. And they're right here, so the yellow injectors right there. But yeah, so now I'm gonna start taking off all the lines to the turbo and the bolts. Alright, so I'm back. I got all the turbo lines off of it. I got all the nuts. As you can see, all the nuts that go to the pipe right there. There's 3 on the turbo right here, and then you take the downpipe off. And I thought I could do it with just disconnecting the downpipe from right here, but I had to completely take it off. As you can see, it's right there. It's way easier. As soon as you take that off, it's super easy. But yeah, so you disconnect the top lines for the coolant. You disconnect the oil drain for the turbo and the bottom. So there's an inlet and outlet for the oil, and an inlet and outlet for the coolant. And then the oil drain is kind of like very far down there. You can't even see it, but it's like way underneath, and you have to like kind of like fish it out, the clamp, and then just pull up on the turbo. Oh yeah, and don't forget to disconnect the turbo inlet right here. Right there, that clamp. And I think she's about to come off. I'm gonna give her to my my videographer. Hold up. Yeah, I might cry right now. Nah, but I'm about to get the turbo off finally. My dream is coming true. Just so I can get real nigga. Alright, anyways. Just so I can get got by other niggas, but oh fuck. Eh. Alright, I forgot to take this clamp off. Can you bring me some pliers? They're right behind you. On the top one. Oh my god, it's fishing out. Bro, this thing's tiny. This thing looks a little small compared to the new one. Like, it looks hella tiny. Bro, this turbo sell hella good. I'm about to sell this bitch. Dude, oh my god. Jeez, no one likes Ollie in the videos anyways. Ain't no one comment. Hey, where the hell? Actually, one person did comment. Didn't one person comment about the dog one time? Well, alright, there she is. Fuck, nigga. I can't even put my new turbo on. Dude, I'm fucking, ooh. I'm about to make like 3 horsepower, nigga. Okay, so basically what you're taking off is this bolt, these 3 nuts. And these are really hard to get to. They're all 14s. But honestly, like, I wouldn't, this job isn't very, I don't think it's like a beginner thing at all. Like, you have to be pretty committed to take apart your whole car to do a turbo upgrade. So if y'all ain't up for the task, I'll do it. Hit me up, Isaac's Garage. But yeah, it's done. Now I just gotta put the new turbo on, new injectors and spark plugs. Alright, so I think next I'm just gonna start doing the injectors, because there's no point in trying to fight all this wiring with the turbo in there once I try to. Oh, I'm gonna take more shit apart. Look at all these fucking bolts and shit. Make sure you guys label everything, not like me. And don't remember where half of this shit goes. So, alright. I guess next up, just start doing the injectors. I'll show y'all in a bit. Alright, so I finally got the injectors off. This injector's pretty easy. It's in there, it goes right in there. Let me show you. So it goes right in there. It's held on by 1 screw, literally. That's how all of them are. You can see the other one over there. And they're all kind of hard to get to, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, that's how you get them. And then you just pull up on them, you just pull them out. Once you take that screw out, it has a bracket over them which fell. Okay, I'll get that later. Yeah, alright, the bracket fell, but let me show you the injector. This is what the injector looks like. You just take the connector off, and then there's a 1 screw that holds them on. You can pull them out. And just like that, the connectors are in. And the injectors are in. I got them all in. In order to get to this side, I just had to remove, there's a bracket right here, with 2 bolts holding onto it. And then I just pried up on this with the screwdriver. Don't go hard on, because this is like soft metal, the rails, and you'll bend it. So just pry up the injectors, and they just pop off. These are like these are modified stock injectors. I think that's what they say. From the company, that's what they do. So everything just goes right in. It's pretty easy. You don't have to switch around connectors or anything. And then on this side was a little more a pain in the ass, but you know, just they're like way down in there. Here's the other one. And in order to get to this side though, I had to remove my my windshield wiper tank. And yeah, now I think I got everything in. Everything's in. Injectors, spark plugs, fuel pump, everything's good. I leak checked everything. The only thing left is the turbo, honestly. That's it. So yeah, I'll start filming that in a bit. Hold up, someone just pulled up. Alright guys, so here's the turbo, new, and then the old one. It's all the same, just a little different, like where you put things on, but everything else should bolt right up. Yeah, all I have to do is just put the studs on this one, and then I can drop it in. But alright, let's see how this goes. I'm really excited, guys. Fuck. Alright, let's get to it. So as you can see, in order to get these in, just in case you guys didn't know, use a double nut method. So you basically tying these to get against each other, and then then the whole stud will start turning. So you can put the stud inside this. It's not the funnest thing to do, but it takes a little bit. Don't think like I just did this in like a minute. It took me a while. But I'm trying to do everything right on this car. I don't want to go back and have to change one little thing or something, and because that would suck. But yeah, now I'm gonna actually put the turbo in. I'm kind of nervous. I just got the oil drain on. This is the first thing I'm gonna put on because this is the hardest one because it's way down there. So I'm gonna put it on up here, and then I'll put the clamp on later once I get it in the car. So yeah, let's see how this goes. And like that, it's just in. Honestly, so what I did is I put the turbo drain at the bottom, that hose that I was showing you earlier. Put that one on first, and then just wiggle this around and push down. And then you gotta get the turbo inlet in too. The turbo inlet is honestly like a pain in the ass. That was like the most difficult thing. Like the rest is alright. Like, that one was just a pain in the ass. But yeah, it's finally in. It looks super good in there. Oh my, I can't wait to be making boosts on this shit. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on going here. Still have no filmer, but whatever. Alright. I'll show y'all when I'm a little farther down and show you kind of little tips and tricks. Alright. Alright, I got more of it. I got the turbo inlet on, turbo drain is on. I got the oil feed on. Oil feed and oil drain is on. Now I need to get the coolant. Let's see if I can show you guys. So now I need to get the coolant line, the inlet and outlet, and yeah, then the downpipe, and that should be about it. Everything else is tying down. I've been double checking everything. Turbo inlet's good. Honestly, when you're doing a job like this, you just gotta keep double checking because it's always just a good practice. Because you don't want to have to go and take apart everything just for one thing you forgot. So I've been checking everything, torquing everything to spec. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So yeah, I got everything in. The downpipe's going in right now. Yeah, I got tying everything up. And yeah, fuck, I'm just so excited. Alright, let's put this shit on. Alright, how's it going, guys? Just finished up completely. Besides the turbo goes. Obviously I still need to connect a few pipings here and some coolant hoses, but so far I think everything's good. I just started it. Smoking. I don't even know if you can see it on camera, but just a lot of fuel. They're like twice the size, but everything, it started and it sounded fine. I just started it for a few seconds, but let me just close out the video here because the rest is gonna be another video. The next video is gonna be me. It's gonna be me taking the car, towing the car to get tuned and getting tuned and all that stuff, doing a few pulls, you know, etc. But so I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I wasn't like as interactive this time. My bad, apologies, but I was just trying to get. I was just focused on trying to get the car done. Yeah. So why don't you guys like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. And but I don't know. Never mind. All right, let's go. Told my bitch that you don't fuck up my